Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn about birds. Birds have colorful feathers and wings. The feathers help to keep them warm and the wings help them to fly. Now let's see examples of birds. Cock. This is a cock. The cock is a heavy bird and his wings are very short. Crow. Crow is black in color. Pigeon. Pigeon loves to eat seeds. Hen. The hen is domestic bird. Hen lays eggs. Woodpecker. A woodpecker is a type of bird with a long sharp beak. Parrot. Parrot has curved red color beak. It is a talking bird. Duck. Duck lives in water. Maina. The maina is brown with a black head. It has a yellow beak. Bulbul. Sparrow. They make the sound of chirping. Owl. An owl comes out of his nest only in the night. Flamingo. Flamingo have beautiful pink feathers due to their diet. Eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. Swan. Vulture. Peacock. Peacock has colorful feathers and peacock is our national bird. Now let's learn some questions and answers. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. Which bird is active at night? An owl is active at night. Which is a talking bird? The parrot is a talking bird. Which birds can swim? Duck and swan can swim. So children, you will revise bird topic at home. Thank you.